24-hour plumbing is a myth. I called every plumber in Smallville, and the soonest anyone can show up is tomorrow morning.
By that time, you'll need a snorkel. Let me see what I can do.
Oh, wrong way.
Describe your history. On your rent.
How did you do that?
I just kept twisting and turning and it stopped.
Maybe one day I'll figure out how Clark Kent does the things he does.
You know the people who moved into your house? They have this orange cat that comes by the loft sometimes. I try to talk to him, but he's not half the conversationalist you are.
I have to admit, I do miss those sunsets.
Yeah. The sky's not really the same when you see it alone.
It's getting late.
Yeah.
I should go put this back.